Okay, I'm throwing away all my barriers. We're gonna have to reuse this, sorry guys. Okay, now here's my tray. So this is thrown away, this is thrown away. All of these, I'm not gonna have you mess with these yet. These are sharps. They're gonna go in the sharp container, okay? Let's just act like I put them in there. I need to reuse them. Okay, so all of these, they're either gonna go in here or they're gonna go in here. I didn't fill this up today. Okay, so we're gonna run it. I've already done my foil test. I already have my holding pan ready. Now I have a couple more instruments. I could have put that in there as well, but we are reusing this. This is for your example because I'm not doing 20 of these. Okay, now I have, this is all to be thrown away, but where do I throw it away? If it's just a little bit of saliva or just a little bit of blood, you can throw it in general waste. Okay? This has just got a little saliva on it. It would go in my general waste that the custodian's going to take out, or you're going to take out at the end of the day. If it is blood saturated, or you can squeeze the saliva out, it has to go in a biohazard. Now I'm sorry, this is the best I have, but it's a bag. They're usually small, and you're going to put it in here. This is biohazard. It means that it's hazardous. It could make you sick. It's regulated as well. It's also called, Lorraine, infectious waste because there can be infection in here. And I will teach you about that in chapter 12. But this costs a lot of money, so you don't put things like this in here. 1 drop of blood, it can go in general waste. A bunch of blood, it goes in here. Okay, I gotta get that back out so you guys can practice this. So here is our high speed. I'm gonna pretend that I have a fiber optic light on here. All of them have fiber optic lights. They're little flashlights so that you can see. I'm going to use isopropyl alcohol and clean it off. Okay? Then, I don't have an assistina. They have one over there, so I'll get to show you. Now, don't you guys spray any of this in here. But I am going to, this is a lubricant. This is a cleaner. You clean first, and then you lube, and then you go back over there and you flush it out. You have to go back over, attach it to the unit, and flush it. So that's why we want an assistina. A assistina is a machine where you can clean and lube at the same time. And then you just wrap it and sterilize it. So alcohol, clean, and lube. I'm not going to show you where yet. Then we're going to bag it and we're going to sterilize it. Now we're not sealing these because I don't have enough of them. So what do we write on here?
Your initials.
Content, initials, and date. So it's best to do it before you write it, before you put it in. And it's high speed hand piece.
So you sterilize it in the bag?
Yes. Okay, so these are done. I'm going to take them out. Technically, this can't go in there because it's plastic, but I'm going to choose a bag. I'm going to write. And I'm just going to do a basic. What's in a basic?
Cotton, pliers, explorer, and a mirror.
I don't have a mirror. I need more. Here we go. Okay. Now, if I had a giant autoclave, it has several trays. You cannot overload these you place the largest items on the bottom. Some of them have 3 trays, but you notice this is a little tiny tattoo one. I'm definitely not going to sterilize this in there because I could ruin it, but we're just pretending. Now, if you have scissors, they have to be opened like this. I'm not going to write the date on it for you. If you have scissors, they have to be opened like this. If you have a Dappin dish or Dappin